So in this video, we will talk about the internal transfer and on-chain transfer. So we will talk about the fees. So I will show you the method that how you can transfer 100% free from the internal transfer without giving your phone number and email. So I will show you all these steps using the mobile application in very simple step. Follow this video till the end, otherwise you may lose your funds if you take any wrong step. And if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe this channel for more videos like this. So let's come on the Kucoin application without wasting any time. So here you can see I have opened Kucoin application on my cell phone, and currently I have some USDT available which I will transfer from here to another Kucoin account. So to withdraw the funds, first you have to come on the withdrawal. Here you can see the withdrawal button. After this, here you will see the list of the coin in which you have some funds. Just like I have these 3 coins and I want to transfer USDT from here to another Kucoin account. So I will select USDT. After that, here you can see there are 2 options, on-chain and internal. Basically, on-chain is used to transfer the fund from one exchange to another exchange, or you can say that to transfer the fund from one exchange to the wallets or exchange. So for this we use on-chain. But if you are transferring from one exchange to the same exchange, just like here we are transferring from Kucoin account to another Kucoin account, then we will use internal. So if you use on-chain in transferring the fund using the wallet address, so you will be charged. So here you have to pay the fee. But if you select the internal and here you fill all the details, you will transfer your funds first of all instantly without wasting your time and 100% free. Some other things here you can see that you can transfer the internal fund using the phone number, using the email, and also using the UID. So if you don't want to share the email address or phone, then you can select the UID. I will also show you that how you can get UID. And the other thing is that you can transfer minimum withdrawal 1 USDT. And here you can see that internal withdrawal 0 fees, instant arrival. So all the things are perfect. So first here we need UID. You can also transfer using the email or phone, but I will recommend you to use UID if you don't want to share your phone number or email to anyone. So let me show you on another account that how you can get the UID. So let me come on the another account. So here I have opened Kucoin account on my another cell phone. To get the UID address, you have to click on the icon on the top of the left, and here you can see UID, which are some numbers. You just have to copy this and provide the user who are transferring the funds from the Kucoin account. So let's come on the first account. Here we will put the UID. After that, here you have to add the withdrawal amount, that how much USDT you want to transfer. Just like I want to transfer 5 USDT from here. Currently I have in funding 5 USDT, in trading 12 USDT. I want to transfer 5 USDT and it will be transferred from my funding account. Here you can see it says funding account priority. And on the left bottom you can see 5 USDT, fee is 0.00 USDT. That's perfect. Click on the withdraw. So when you click on the withdraw, here you can see the confirmation slip. Their withdrawal amount is 5 USDT, withdrawal fee is 0 USDT. You will receive 5 USDT, and where you are withdrawing, here the UID which we have give. Click on the confirm. After that, here you have to complete the security verification that you are the owner of this account. After adding the codes, click on confirm, and here you can see it says that withdrawal initiated. In a second you can see withdrawal successful notification. Click on it, and here you can see it says 5 USDT withdrawal has been completed within a second. And here you can see all the details that fee is 0.00 USDT on the time which you have sent. Withdrawal account we have transferred from the withdrawal account to this address. Now let's come on the another account and let me show you that we have received the funds are still pending. So here I have opened another my account. Come on the assets. If you come on the history, here is history button. So on deposit you can see USDT 5 has been received, has been deposited in our account. Click on it, and here you can see 5 USDT has been completed and added in our funding account. So I hope you understand that how you can transfer USDT from Kucoin account to another Kucoin account and 100% free. If you understand and like this video, please subscribe my channel for more amazing content. Thank you for more amazing content. Thank you for